Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share about how you can actually build an online clothing store like Myntra and Ajio within a day. So online shopping is become very popular because people are not able to move to physical stores because of the lockdown and other critical situations. Also, people are more habituated to shop online than going to physical stores because there are a lot of options when compared to going to physical stores and purchasing items. That's the reason why people are preferring online stores. So in this video, my main focus is I will introduce you to two different platforms where you can actually create your own online store, which you can also call it as drop shipping or print on demand, which means you're not actually maintaining the inventory here. So there are third party vendors which maintains the products, and people will buy from you. When people order a particular item from you, you will directly pass that order to the third party store. They will take care of the shipping and everything. The only thing that you need to do is you need to provide them an interface and you need to list all the items so that people can purchase the items, so that you can earn a lot of money because you are the one who fixes the pricing and all the stuff. So this is the same thing that Myntra, Ajio, even Amazon follows. So yeah, let's go into the video. If you can see, this is a platform called Printro. So let me zoom it a bit. So what actually you can do is you can actually directly purchase the items. There are two ways to do this. One thing is, so if you don't want to spend at least some money on building a website and all those stuff, then you can directly sell items based on your social media handles. You can maintain an Instagram page or a Facebook page and list all the items, and if people order something, then you can directly take the address of them and directly provide them. This is one thing. And the other way is you can directly go to shopify.in, so where you can actually create your own account, and Shopify will provides you a free 1 month trial. So you can create your account and you can see you can build a site here. The best thing is you can build a site here using the drag and drop store builder. Just create an account in Shopify and go to this drag and drop store builder. You can create you can select one particular theme, and all you need to do is you just need to import a plugin. When you create an account, there are various I can say third-party plugins that you can import to the Shopify, and you can search for this item called Printro. So you can see the spelling itself, like Printro. It's the name of this is Printro. So once you imported this Printro, then ultimately you can sell all these items with the help of Shopify, with the help of the website that you create in Shopify. The advantage of creating a website through Shopify is you can create and user a real-time experience like how Myntra and Ajio will provide, or like you can also directly, if you can't able to afford money on investing on Shopify, then ultimately you can do this. And also if you opt for pro version in Shopify, it won't cost much. You can get it around 2000 per month. So otherwise Printro, so you can see how it actually works. So there are various things. If you can click new order here, they will show you various things. If you can select, let's suppose select men's clothing, you will see what all the different items available. So off sleeve t-shirt, full sleeve, hoodies and sweatshirts. If I select hoodies here, you can find out the different items that are available in the Printro store with different colors. So if you can select one and select the size, then if you want to sell it as plain, you can also do that. If I select this plain, you can see the option called 472 rupees. It costs around 472 as a wholesale price, but you're not selling the don't expect the quality which is resembling in the interface. The quality is more than what you see in the screen. So ultimately you can charge more price. You can charge up to 700 or 800. And the other thing is you can also add design, like if you know Photoshop or some tools like Canva, you can create a transparent design. So you can directly upload your design here so that it will be printed here. So you can charge more price for that. So it is how you can actually sell. So if you can select all these items, then ultimately click proceed. You can see it will ask, you can see number of items you want, it will ask everything. And if you can proceed to shipping, it asks the address. If you write the address, then it's over. So it's how simple it is to actually sell items with the help of this online store. And if you create a website using Shopify, then this process will made simple. So whether you might be a student, or whether you might be an employee, whether you might be a housewife, whatever you are, it doesn't matter. It's so simple to start an online business using this Shopify and Printro combination. And there are other websites, apart from Printro too, but this is something that I have used it for a couple of months. That's the reason why I'm suggesting this website. I hope it is clear for you now how you can actually create an online store, your own online store, using a website called Printro. And if you want to make that more professional, you can use Shopify's drag and drop website builder to automate this entire process. And you can also find different items, like you can phone pouches, some accessories, some gadgets, what you can find everything on Printro, all wholesale product. You can sell it at different price. So it's how you can actually start an online business within a day, because it is not taking much time, right? You can go on, you can do it for free. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like this and if you find it useful, please like, share and comment what you like in this and what you want me to do more on online earnings and all this stuff. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.